Hi class! What's warm, gooey, and makes your house smell great? It's my favorite treat, chocolate chip cookies. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make Jesse James Decker's recipe for chocolate chip cookies at home. The recipe I'm about to show you is a little different than most chocolate chip cookie recipes. There is one special ingredient that you will want to know about before the next time you bake cookies. First, I will discuss the recipe and the ingredients and materials needed. Second, I will discuss the process and steps, and third, I will discuss the finished product. The recipe that I'm using will come from this book, which is called Just Jessie, written by Jesse James Decker. She is a country star, TV personality, entrepreneur, cook, a wife, and a mom, and she's one of my biggest role models. I really love this book, and especially her recipe for chocolate chip cookies. So first, you will need to gather the following ingredients. 2 mixing bowls, both a small and a large. You will need a cookie sheet about this size, dark nonstick. You will need measuring cups and spoons. You'll need flour, sugar, chocolate chips, baking soda, a cup of butter, and the special ingredient is pink Himalayan salt, which really makes the cookies taste amazing. Vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and a hand mixer. I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 375 degrees and grease my cookie sheet with Pam. And once that's done, we're going to want to go ahead and add in the dry ingredients to the small bowl. So the first thing we'll need is 2½ cups of flour. We can move this down. So I'm going to measure that out into the little bowl. And then we're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Measure that. And this one. And then we're going to need 1/2 cup of cane sugar. So I've just combined the flour, baking soda, and salt in the small bowl. Now I'm going to measure out brown sugar, which calls for 1 cup. And then also a 1/2 cup of regular just cane sugar. And all these ingredients will be going into the big bowl. So 1 cup of brown and 1/2 cup of just regular cane sugar. So we have that in the big bowl. And then we're also going to add in the pink Himalayan salt and the vanilla extract. And then we're going to beat that all together with the butter. So in our big mixing bowl, we have brown sugar, regular sugar, 1 cup of butter softened, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of the pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to beat this, and then I'll show you what it will look like afterwards. So your dough should currently look something like this, and then we're going to add in an egg one at a time, beating well after each addition. Once you've added in the eggs, your dough should be a little bit more of a thicker consistency. What we're now going to do is add in the dry mixture a little bit at a time, which is in your small bowl, and then beat a little bit after each addition to form the dough. So once you've added in all of the dry mixture, it should look like this. What we're now going to do is add in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, which are my favorite. 1, 2, and I always put a little bit extra because I'm a chocolate lover. So we're going to fold those in with any type of spoon. I prefer to use this one, a flat scraper, just because it's really easier for baking. So once we mixed all that up, it should look like this. So now what I'm going to do is ball it up with my hands and spread them out onto the cookie sheet. Once you've placed your cookies on the cookie sheet, you'll put them in the oven, which is at 375, for around 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. So here's our finished product. Once the cookies have cooled a couple more minutes on the baking sheet, take them off, put them on a cooling rack, and allow them to cool down. And then once they are cool, you can place them in an airtight container and they'll stay good for up to 1 week. So you've now learned how to make chocolate chip cookies from scratch, and if you didn't already know how to. I hope you enjoyed learning this new recipe, and the next time you're in the mood for a sweet treat, try giving Jessie James Decker's recipe a try. Thank you.